beauties, welcome back to my channel, and this is the first time if you're seeing my face, then my name is Ipshita. Hi, I make beauty, makeup, skincare related as well as nail tutorials and cooking videos in this particular channel. So, and after watching this video, if you enjoyed watching my content and few of my other previous videos, I'll leave the link of them down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. You can check those videos out, and if you like my content in general, do consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button which is down below. Make sure you make that button grey by hitting on the button, and also there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And today in this video, this particular video is actually a second video in my Durga Puja series. So if you, in case you missed the first video out which I posted today only in the morning, I'll make sure I'll leave a link of that down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. Click on the eye. Make sure you watch that video next after you finish watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to share my top recommendation of nail paints from drugstore for this festive season, and that's a mouthful, but yeah. And I hope this video is something you will actually enjoy, and whatever nail paints I'm going to show, all the links and all the names of those, in case you miss it out during the video, will be mentioned down below in the bottom bar. Make sure you check those out if you want to get any of these for yourself, just in case. And yes, so after you're done watching this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do share this video with your friends and family, and make sure you spread the word, because my channel is at this moment very new and very small, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching my videos and whatever content that I make actually, and you also want our family to grow together and become bigger. So if you want that, because all the power is in your hand, so only you can do it for me, guys. Go ahead and share the video with your friends and family, and after obviously subscribing to my channel by yourself. So yeah, that's enough of me blabbering. Now quickly let's get into my recommendation of nail paints for this festive season. So let's start with my first recommendation. The very first nail paint is the one that I'm actually wearing today at this moment. So this is from Wet n Wild, guys. You can see how pretty the nail shade is actually looking on my hands. I am digging this color and the glitteriness and the shine that is giving. Goodness, it's so pretty and so, I don't know what to say, it's so blinding is the correct word. Princess like, I don't know, that's what I am feeling wearing these. And okay, this is the Wet n Wild Shine nail color in the shade Spark. So I have already shown this to you in my last haul. If you have missed that video out, I'll make sure I'll leave the link of that video down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. Make sure you watch that haul video, because that's a very interesting haul. It was my last drugstore haul if I'm not wrong. But yes, so this is actually, I won't be able to tell you anything about their lasting power, because it's not long that I have been wearing these. But yes, still now it hasn't chipped or anything. But as it's a glittery shade, I don't think it will chip easily anyway. But I love the color. Only one thing I would like to say, it's something that it's very watery. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not. It's something, the consistency is very on the liquidy side. So what is happening is, whenever I'm applying it, it's only the glitter particles are very they're looking very sparse and very limited in number. Although this looks like it's packed with glitters, but whenever I'm applying it, I'm getting only the clear nail paint, not the glitters on one go. So I really had to apply 3 layers to had to layer it up thrice to get this kind of pigmentation of glitter and this opacity of glitter on my nail. So as you can see, I don't know if my camera will pick up, but you can actually see it better, I think, from here. So actually I have applied 3 coats of it, but good thing is, as it's so liquidy, even after applying 3 coats, it won't chap like that, and won't come off your nails like a thick layer or anything. So that's a good thing. But yes, if you want, do not mind layering your nail paints out and to get the opacity. Otherwise, what you can do is, you can use it as a topper over your normal solid color nail paint. If you apply it on black or a dark color, navy blue or something, it will look stunning with this pink and white glitters. It will really look stunning as a topper, nail topper. And I really recommend it for the festive season, because festivity means all glitteriness and all bling that you can get. Although for me, I can tell in this festive season I am staying back at home completely, but yes, and still I am actually, I won't, it's not that I will stay back at home and I won't dress up. Obviously I'll dress up, I'll wear new clothes, I'll wear makeup, full face of makeup, I'll take care of my nails, I'll do pampering of my skin, everything that I do every year I will do that. Apart from the fact that going out, I won't go out, I will stay back, I will spend all my time with my family and have a quality time. That's how I'm going to spend my Durga Puja this year. Let me know guys, what are your plans this year, because I think staying back is the safest and the smartest option for this year at least, so that we can be safe to enjoy next year, because anyway the vaccine is on the way, right? So I think that it should be better for us if we stay back at home and if we don't go out, at least this year. Because obviously next year also Durga Puja will come and all the festivity will be there, if we are with good health to enjoy that. Okay, that's enough of me blabbering. Now quickly get into the next one. The next recommendation and the second one in the list is from Avon. And by the way guys, all the prices of these, whatever I'm showing you, will be mentioned in the bottom bar. Make sure you check it out, because I don't remember the pricing of them, exact pricing. So I'll make sure I'll mention it in the bottom bar. So the second one is from Avon. It is that gel, Mark Gel Shine in the shade Black Magic. I'll show you the color. Oh my god, why it's not opening? Okay, I actually have a hand cream on my hand, so it was just slipping it off. Anyways, so I have opened it. I'll show you. It's actually a gunmetal gray kind of gunmetal gray meets black kind of color. I hope the camera is not doing justice to the color. So this is how the color looks. I know if the glitter, small tiny glitter particles are being picked up or not in the camera, but this is how it looks. Yeah, this is the exact color how it looks. So it's a gunmetal kind of color where you get a tiny shimmery silver particles added. So it looks really stunning, and it's very opaque as well. You just have to layer it up twice and you will get the full opacity. I really love this one, and it also lasts long, because this I have for a very long time, so I know it lasts long. Okay, so let's come to our very next nail paint, which is a very interesting product. Because of the packaging, it's very attractive to look at. So it's from Nykaa. This is the one. It is their unicorn potion, and actually this is the name. Can you see the packaging, like a unicorn horn? I love that fact. And yes, this is the color which I picked up for myself. I think I have shown you this in my previous Nykaa haul. I'm really not sure, but I'll make sure I'll make that video link, leave the link of that video down below in the bottom bar and the eye icon if you have missed that video out. So this is the unicorn potion, and the shade is 239, by the way. Yes, Frosted Fairy. The name of the shade is Frosted Fairy. They have few of the shade in the unicorn variant of their nail paint. I haven't tried a lot of Nykaa nail paints, but so far I have just tried 4 or 5, and I really have liked them so far. And this, I will say, it will last on your hand pretty easily for around 5 days, if not long, without any topper or top coat. And this has a shift to it, as the name suggests. It's called unicorn potion. This actually has a holographic glittery particles added to it. You won't find the chunky glitteriness, but it's like a what should I say, not even shimmer. There is no shimmer added to it. It just looks like that. I don't know if it's picking up, but can you see the holographicness? If from some angle it looks mauve, from some angle it will give some pink reflex, and from some angle it will give you a sky reflex. So it really is very pretty, and it is also very opaque. With just one coat, it will give you a very because you will be able to see through your nail, but it will still give you the reflect. If as soon as light hits on your nails, it will give you a light reflect and it really looks classy. But if you apply 2 coats of it, it will give you full opacity and it looks very pretty like that as well. So I'll move on to our very next product, which is my recommendation from Color Bar. It is you can see I've almost finished this one up. I hope I will survive it will survive this festive season at least. I am freaking out seeing that I have already finished it up. So yeah, this is the Color Bar Art Effects nail lacquer in the shade Moonstruck, and I really love this one. And okay, this one has the price mentioned. It's 350 rupees. I'm really sorry if anywhere I've mentioned 250, but actually this one is the priciest one from the range and it's cost 350 rupees. Apart from it, I think all of them are at least under 299 or 250. I'll make sure I'll leave all the links and all the prices at least down below along with their shade names. If you missed any of that out, you can check out in the bottom bar. So this is how it looks. It's a gorgeous and very very opaque silver glittery nail paint. That's all I wanted to say. And this is a pure silver glitter nail paint. That's all. And it's very opaque. Oh my god, it will last on your nails almost for 2 weeks and without even chapping. It never chaps. It's just that after you change your mind and you think that I need to change my nail color, then only you can remove it, but otherwise it doesn't get chapped at all. So let's come to my 5th and last recommendation for this video is from Maybelline. They actually have a lot of variant in this one, but obviously I wanted to just include 5 of the nail paints from different brands for you to go ahead and purchase any of those out, or want to check it out, you can go ahead. But if you are on a tight budget and still if you're looking for something very festive, which screams festive, because this is a pretty, you can see because this has chunks of glitters which is smaller as well, and some of them are very big as well. So this works very fine if you apply it on your nail on your own. So what happens is it actually a little bit like the Wet n Wild one, the first one that I showed you. For this to get the full opacity on its own, you have to apply at least 3 layers, because obviously if you apply it just like that, what happens is the liquid transparent nail paint comes on and the glitters are somewhere scattered. It will not look like it's full of glitters because it's not like this one. As this one you can apply just 1 coat and you're good to go, but this one you have to apply 3 coats. But if you want to apply as a topper, I mostly applied this as a topper on darker colors and it looks stunning. I already have it in few other different colors. You can see it's very stunning. It's really really stunning. So I don't know, I really love this one. And this is even, I think, the most I think it's the cheapest one as per the price. I'm really not sure about the price of the Wet n Wild, but I need to check it. But this one was for rupees 150, and that too I got it for a discounted price. So I think for 150 rupees, if you're getting something of this good quality and so pretty, and it also lasts long, so at least a week it will last on your nail. So this is something I would call a steal. You should go ahead and get it. But the chunks of glitters are bigger in this. If you're looking for something very fine, go ahead and make sure you check out the rest of them. But these, in this particular Color Show variant, the name of the shade is Party Girl from Maybelline Color Show. Maybelline has wide range of colors of glittery nail paints like this, which has chunky glitters like this. I even showed those to you guys in my nail paint collection video. I'll make sure I'll leave that video also linked down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye, in case if you haven't watched that video already. It's a very it's a old video, but I have obviously posted it in this year only. But yes, I will make sure I'll link it. If you're a nail paint junkie, you will love that video. I'm giving you 100% guarantee of it. If you're a nail paint junkie, you will just fall in love with that video. I'll make sure I'll link it down below for you guys. So that was my 5 recommendation for you guys for this festive season from the nail paint section. So yeah. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I really hope you enjoyed watching my top 5 recommendation for the nail paints, especially for this festive season, from the drugstore, because all of them are very affordable. And I hope you have found at least one of the nail paint suitable for your as per your choice and your need. And if you did, and if you want to get anything as per your liking, do not forget to make sure you check the description box below, because I have already left all the shade names and the details down below in case you want to check any of those out. And also, if you have any suggestion for my future videos, or if you want to share your feedback regarding this video or my channel in general, do not forget to let me know that in the comment section by mentioning it. And also, you can check me out in my other social medias. All the links of those have been put down below in the bottom bar. You can head over there, follow me over there as well if you like my content over there. And yes, so this was the second video from this series. Make sure you do not miss out the other videos which are actually coming from tomorrow onwards as well, till Thursday, because 6 more videos to go for this series. And I really hope, guys, that you guys are actually staying back at home and staying safe and taking all the precautions to make sure you and your family, all your loved ones, are safe. And yes, we can actually stay back at home and enjoy puja, right? Because Durga Puja will come next year, Navaratri will come next year, if we and all our loved ones are safe for next year to enjoy that. So yes, I hope that makes sense, and that's all I wanted to say to you in this video. I hope you all are staying safe and taking care of yourself, guys. I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye bye till then.